The Writing and Multiliteracy Center welcomes you to an overview tour of the Multimedia Studio, an extension of our center located in Broome 1730. The Multimedia Studio expands your options for tutoring. You can get help with professional video or audio recordings, run-throughs of speeches or presentations, and creative personal projects like podcasts. The room features a TV display, a 4K video camera with a teleprompter, your choice of a green screen or gray backdrop, a boom microphone, professional lighting, a sound booth with microphone, and multiple computers, one of which has editing software installed. Let's begin with a tour of the sound booth. The Mac Studio desktop computer has OpenShot and Camtasia software installed, allowing for video and audio editing. Additionally, there's a quality USB microphone provided for audio recordings. Your tutor will assist you with uploading your footage and audio to places you can access. The TV is connected to a laptop for quick access to digital visual presentations. You can see how your presentation looks on a large display, and your tutor can time and give you feedback on any speeches or presentations you may have prepared. The green screen is available for recording, and the gray screen is perfect for any professional recordings or photos, like headshots. Your tutor will help capture your image with professional audio and lighting equipment. To access the Multimedia Studio, schedule an in-person appointment, either at our front desk or online. You can access the reservation link on our website shown on screen. Additionally, there are QR codes located on the room itself that can assist you with this. When scheduling an appointment, make sure to specify when prompted that you'd like to work on a multimedia project and therefore want access to the room. Your assigned tutor will guide you to the room and assist you throughout your tutoring session. If you have questions, email wmc.tutors@csuci.edu or call us at 805-437-8934. Thank you for watching.